Hugh is back on another review on Marvel's Wong from Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. So, this is from Marvel Legends, obviously, and Hasbro. But, so, I'll tell you about that accessory right there. You think it's accessory, right? Here. You think it's accessory. And that's where you're wrong. So, and that's where you're wrong. Just kidding, alright? Because that's the Build-A-Figure of Rintra, which I wouldn't build because that it would be spending way too much money, alright? But I can't believe I got my hands on these. Well, there was two more left. But let's not talk about that. Let's see the sides. Wong. And the same for the other one. Wong. Okay, now here. Marvel's Wong. Wong takes over for the Ancient One as Sorcerer Supreme and leader of Kamar-Taj, teaching a new era of sorcerers to protect our reality from mystical threats. So you can pause it and read that if you know that language. I'll give you a few seconds and done. Let's open this with the almighty scissors. Sharp. Okay. I want to keep the box so I will not harm the box. Wait, just give me a second. Don't do it this way, kids. I'm professional. Okay. Now almighty scissors go away. Let's see the background of this. Here's Wong himself. And what's the background like? No, I won't take it out. It's too hard. So let's put that away. Now let's review this. So, if you didn't know, he has that. But here, let's take a look at the Build-A-Figure part. It has tape. Let's put that aside. So this is what. Oh, it looks cool. Oh, it can't twist here, just like my Infinity Saga Thanos. But it can do this. He can do that, just like the Infinity Saga Thanos. And the same as the other Marvel Legends. It also comes with this cool hand to replace. Cool, isn't it? Now you can, once you build the figure, you can do this pose. Doink. I'll put this aside over here. Now let's take out the accessories. I hate tape. Here's the knife. Cool. Here's not the knife, the katana. Really cool, isn't it? Here's the handle. I love that the detail is silver, so it looks like a real blade or katana sword. We put that there. Now let's take a look at the accessories. The figure is nearly here. What's that tape here? strange. What's the tape here? Is that strange? Just like Doctor Strange? Get it? Okay. Let's remove that and throw it in the bin. Okay, so let's take out that. It's really hard, alright? Don't think it's really easy. It'll give me a moment. Well, let's just... Oh, I get it. So... Okay, let's just move on to this hand that can hold the katana. Now let's try getting this out. Bro, I can't. Okay, finally. These are the ones where he does this. Look, ding ding. Oh, I scratched myself, but no worries. Ding ding. Or ding ding. Wait, ding ding. So let's put the figures that aside. Let's look at the figure itself. Wait, maybe I can pull it out. Okay, let's put that aside. Let's look at the figure itself. Cool, eh? Bro, it looks like he has thick legs. He can move left to right. There's a ab crunch, and then he can move up and down. So his head can go left and right. A little swivel. A swivel. He can move his hands up and around. Can bend his arm that much. Bend it down. And you can swap out the hands, but I don't want to do that right now. Oh, he's actually a heavy figure. I don't know why. He can do the same. Wait, he can twist that. Oh, I forgot to mention that. So now let's go to here. He can... Oh, didn't know he can do that there. Well, let's do this one. Can I? Yes, I can move it. Look, see? So, I don't know. Well, this Wong has the so mysterious articulation. He can move that much and that much. Can he turn this? Yes, he can. He can do the same on this side. Wait, can he? Yep, he can. That's supposed to be where the other side is. So, this is my second Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness toy. Because here's the other here's the other one. I didn't review this one because I was running out of time. So here are them both. Really cool, huh? So, well, they don't have the same articulation, but they do have the same head articulation. Look, he can do that same with him, and if you didn't know, it comes with a ball joint. Look, here a ball joint and the same thing on him, but he, look at it. He's not a part of the Build-A-Figure because he doesn't have a number there, see? So then that means that if you want to build a figure, you have to buy all of that, which costs a lot of money. But if you're doing it for YouTube, maybe you gain some money if you get a lot of subscribers or views or likes. You get some money out of that, but then no. But I'm just doing this because I want to watch the review once I'm older. Hope you like this video. Subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you can get our latest videos, so you can watch, and make sure you like. But if you like this video, press the like button. If you don't like this video and you're just here to watch a review for no reason, hit the like button. And if you just press random things, hit the like button. So that's it for this video. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Wait. I need to show you one thing. Let's put the hands on. So nope. Well, I'll put on this there. Just tight. Yep. And then we put in this. So let me put on the sword. There we go. Let's pose it. There we go. They're in their posing positions, and Wong is maybe an important one, but it's supposed to be like, he's like, yeah, boom, and then he's like, whoa, and scraping on the floor. So now this is actually the end of the video. Bye.